The hardness conversion. All-Scales interactive calculator converts between different hardness measurement scales used in materials testing. Let me show you the input options. First, you'll select your conversion type from the drop-down menu. You can choose from Rockwell C, Rockwell B, Rockwell A, Brinell, Vickers, or Shore hardness to convert to other scales. For this demonstration, I've selected Rockwell C. There's also a Shore scale drop-down where you can pick between Shore A for elastomers or Shore D for harder plastics. The calculator has 6 input fields: Rockwell C hardness HRC, Rockwell B hardness HRB, Rockwell A hardness HRA, Brinell hardness HBW, Vickers hardness HV, and Shore hardness value. For our example, I'll enter 10 in the Rockwell C field and click Convert Hardness Values. The results show our input value of 10.0 HRC converts to 142.0 Rockwell B, 64.0 Rockwell A, 3 Brinell, and -23 Vickers. The approximate tensile strength is 10 MPa. Notice the warning that says HRC value is outside typical range, so conversions may be less accurate. This calculator helps engineers quickly convert between hardness scales for material specifications and quality control. Find the link in the description below.